Welcome to Module 6, Lesson 1, Topic 3. Import data from .csv file. Sometimes, you will find data within a .csv file. .csv stands for comma, separated values. The process for importing .csv data into Excel is very similar to the process for importing .txt data. However, a .csv file is set up in a slightly different way. To get data from a .csv file. Using a blank Excel workbook, on the Home ribbon, select the Data tab. Then, in the Get and Transform Data group, select From Text/CSV. Then, in the Import Data dialog box, find the .csv file, and then select Import. A second dialog box will open displaying the data you will be bringing into Excel. This dialog box allows you to preview the data prior to bringing it into Excel. Then, in the Delimiter drop-down menu, select comma. A .csv file separates the data into columns using a comma. Then, select the Load button. The data from the .csv file will be loaded into the Excel file. Download the .csv file from the link in the description, and import into an Excel file by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson, Manipulating Text.